Yo, what's going on, guys? Just here back again with another reaction today. I'm going to react to Verivery's, I think, storyline, I guess that's the best way to describe it. But yeah, I'll be reacting to Tag, Layback, Thunder, and G.B.T.B. There's supposed to be a story that I can piece together from all the MVs. I'm not really good at doing that, but I'll give my best. I'll add little details here that I think, let's just see what the story is. All right, I'm not really gonna be focusing on the song this time. It's more just focusing on the story. All right. Anyway, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh.
Take your rip, baby, take your rip. Take your rip, baby, take your rip. Show me, baby. 좀더 깊은 너의 timeline. Right now. 눈을 뜬 순간부터 너를 따라 달려나. 내일은 뭐해?
All right. So right off the start, it looks like maybe like going to an abandoned warehouse, abandoned house, I guess. To play hide and seek, right? Or is it, yeah, hide and seek, right? Taking pictures of them. That's interesting. Is that supposed to be taxing them? I've never noticed that. I don't know what that game's called, but I've seen it like, oh, dangerous. Alright. Checking out the TV. Turned it on, I guess? I do the visuals though. His visuals so yeah, what's going on? Nope. Story time? Maybe not. Is the song over? Oh no, we got time. For a second, yo. For a second. Someone clapping? Mm-hmm. While they're being watched, you can see. Nope. All right, so what I got from that first story. All right, so they go to a random house that's abandoned house, abandoned house. They go to abandoned house. In there, they start playing games. They play games, having fun, but they're playing games where they have to hide from each other, and playing games where really unnecessary games inside houses like those, because that's just scary as hell. But that's not the point right now. So like, they go to an abandoned house, and then while they're inside the house, they start taking pictures of each other, because I guess that's the new way people play hide and seek. I guess that's the first time I've ever seen people play like that. But that's not important. But so they do that, they take pictures of each other. Now while they're playing the games, they start seeing, they start finding things inside the house. They start finding mirrors, closets, stuff like that, closet spaces. And one of the members finds a TV. He turns that on, and he finds what does he find? He finds someone's been recording them as they walk to the house, which is obviously off the start creep factor 1,000%. So I'm slightly scared, not scared yet. But then the clapping starts. That freaks the hell out of me. So okay, so either A, their spirits, B, their what? Ghosts? It's the same thing? No, technically ghosts and spirits are different things. But yeah, A, they're either spirits, B, the ghosts. D, they're just a regular person, and they just have really good refractive clothes, I guess. I don't know. But yeah. And so while they're taking pictures, they start realizing that there's a person in that photo with them, but they're invisible, or they're unseen to the natural naked eye. So, what I can surmise from this is that they're being watched by a quote unquote spirit from beyond, and now they're realizing that. And not only that, the spirit seems to want them. It seems to it's now trying to scare them. Either A, it's trying to scare them out the house, or B, it's trying to get them to go explore the house even further. But I'm not sure. Let's keep going. Let's see where this leads us to. All right, next song is what's the next song? Lay Back. All right.
까마득한 어둠 속에 감춰 녹을까 기묘하게 들뜨는 기분 차가운 밤새 감각은 선명해 새벽이 올 때까지 이어가는 게임
Okay. So I have seen this MV before, but I think it makes more context now. This is what do you call it? What's it called? Lay back.
깊이 alonging an emotion Everybody know that shit 가면 넘어 떨린 그 눈빛이 Swagger, swagger Oh, 겁내지 말고 Take off Love, 더 보여줘 봐 Right now, hit that true or lie 다급히 멀던 그림자 이면에 너를 원해 나 Show me your face. Show me your face. 좀 더 짙게 빠져든가 지금 난 now. Show me your face. 가까워져 달래게 나. 좀 더 솔직해져 너와 날 원할게 어둠 속에 터지듯 피어난 your broken heart. 나를 끊이봐. 너의 화려한 정막이 내리고 내 향한 모든 날 채우고 난 너를 데려가 눈이 멀어가도 좋아 너의 랄랄라 순간부터록 널 원하게 투명하게 너를 바라볼게 for you 한없이 네 곁에 stay 지극히 아름다운 이 순간이 멈추지 마 we taking the love 밝은 빛이 사로잡힌 그림자 자유로운 어둠에 피어난 your broken heart 나를
Anything else? No, that's it. All right. So that was a lay back. Now, what I can get from this music video is what I think is happening is that the ghosts, I guess, attached themselves to the people. So when they left that abandoned house, apartment, abandoned building. That's the word. When they left that abandoned building, yeah, abandoned building, right? I don't know. And when they left that abandoned location, they left and they brought the spirits with them, I think. And so now the spirits are haunting them. And in this sense of the way they're haunting them is that they're using the reflective, that reflective spirit where they mirror them, but they're mirroring them in like a more like, oh, I'm creepy type of way, you know what I mean? Not in like the usual, like I'm just gonna show up randomly, situation. So I don't know. As of right now, it looks like the spirits are currently with them, haunting them. That's what I think. Let's go on to the next MV. Let's see where we go from there. This one is Thunder. I did see Thunder before, so maybe there's a little bit more context now. Oh, they're missing now. Oh, it's just one person. Okay. Alright, so what I think happened is that one of the members has gone missing, and now they're trying to find them, which means I think the ghost has chosen the member that they want to take, I think, right? Or the one that's weakest, because they're all kind of challenging the ghost, in that former MV. So now that like the ghost found out which one is the weakest, so they're all trying to enter that kid's body. Can I just enjoy the song for like a split second? Oh my god, over. Oh! Oh, that's all cool, that's good.
깊이 번지기는 잘한 손을 내밀어 전부 보는 듯이 멀리 데려다줄게 yeah. 빈틈없던 어둠 속에 연결된 그 사이 전부 본 것 같아 네 마음을 난 차가웠던 말들 너를 가도 못해 드라마를 전부 다 네 흔들어 Real like a thunder 파고들어 deep inside 짜릿하게 만들어 미쳐버린 것 같아 쓰러져도 몰라 Can't stop 잡힐 리가 없잖아 빨라지는 움직임 없이 달려 온통 집어삼켜 좀 더 자유롭게 feeling it 누군가 잡아주기를 넌 기다렸잖아 그저 말없이 창을 열어두면 돼 We feel like thunder sky We're like a thunder 모두 deep inside 짜릿하게 만들어 미쳐버린 것 같지 쓰러져도 몰라 Can't stop 잡힐 리가 없잖아 빨라지는 움직임 쉴 없이 달려 온통 집어삼켜 좀 더 자유롭게 feeling it
Alright, so alright, so what I think this MV is supposed to mean, let's make sure there's nothing else at the end. Yes, there's not. Okay, so what I think this MV means, right? I think this MV is about, the ghosts or the demons or the spirits found the weakest member. And so they started, trying to hunt him down and take possession of his body. And towards the end, I think they did take possession, right? and now they're trying to like I guess in this sense of the word like sacrifice him to the gods. Like I said earlier, I don't know, but I think they're trying to like give his body up to something, to like make his body some sort of supernatural being, and so that's what I think this MV is. So beginning, they go to a house, they get attacked by ghosts, or they start realizing there's ghosts in the house. They leave the house, the ghosts follow them. The ghosts start trying to see which member is the weakest. So they all ghost people, the members are challenging the ghosts to like a dance battle in this sense, and so they're challenging. They find the weakest member, and so that member they start chasing, and so that member disappears, which is why these members are looking for him, and so while they're looking for him, that guy gets possessed, I think, and then what happens? He he gives himself up to the spirits, I guess, in the sense of the word. And so now they're trying to, I guess, save him now, I guess. So let's see what happens. I think I only have one more MV. Yeah, G.B.T.B is the last MV. Let's see where this leads us. Oh. Whoa.
Are you ready now? 속삭이는 shadow 왠지 익숙해 정은 보는데도 더 깊이 감춘 너의 맘에 빛을 던지고 숨을 불어넣어 우린 갇혀버린 player 사라진 시간을 찾아 헤맨 player So we keep on running for So we keep on running for Tonight, tonight, tonight 꿈을 벗어나 숨막힌 듯한 세상을 향해 외쳤대 너와 날 닮은 우리들 자유로운 이 rhythm So we keep on running for So we keep on running for Raising on my hands, raising 던졌죠 멀리 선이 없지 그곳은 모든 게 다 위선이었지 뺏겨버린 모르는데 삼켜버린 끝이 다 시간에 가라 그대가 달려나게 날아올라 to the brain you swear 미쳐서 난 너무 간절한 모든 걸 담아 외쳤대 예고픈 우리를 더 찬란한 빛부리를 So we keep on running for So we keep on running for Yeah Who's gonna pull the trigger 믿음을 노리셔 No more barriers Who's gonna pull the trigger 난 무너지려 들려올 거야 fly away 시간이 멈춘 듯한 그 순간 마주 너와 너와 나 온 세상이 울려 퍼지게
Okay. Alright, I think I get what's going on. So, I'm not sure if this MV is completely related or not. It doesn't feel it. But, if there is a storyline, I can put it together. Okay, so what I think this MV is about is them basically building this facility where they can, like, basically see ghosts, which is why at the very end, there's tons of ghosts around them, right? So what I think is happening is that they basically built this facility, and so they're, like, testing, like, what works, what brings the ghosts in, right? And so right now what they're realizing is that, the ghosts really love them dancing, I think. That's just me, I think. But, yeah, this facility is brought now. They built the facility, which is why there's, like, so many, like, they're testing everything out. They built this facility, and they're really trying to figure out a way to really save their other member, I guess. Yeah. What do you guys think? So I think this is the furthest it goes. If there is another storyline to this, let me know. What do you guys think the storyline is? Let me know exactly what the storyline is, or if you have the exact details of what the storyline is, let me know. Yeah, that was interesting. A very long video, so hopefully you guys, you skipped around a bit just to get to the story. But yeah, thanks for if you're here to the very end. Thank you. It's a lot of work and a lot of time, but I really appreciate you guys sticking to the end. But yeah, that was a great request. Thank you for the request, and I really love trying to, figure out a story. So it was fun. But yeah, what do you guys think? Do you guys enjoy my reaction? If not to my episode, to me. So if you have any more requests, put that in the comment down below. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell somewhere here. Maybe I'll try adding some more animations every now and then. Now, but yeah, don't forget to like. Yeah, that's true.